Welcome to Impact Radio Accessories Learning Resources playlist. Today we will be covering how to replace parts on your Platinum Double Muff headset. Our PDM headsets lineup includes noise cancelling, over the head, behind the head, and hard hat options. Visit our website for more information on our complete lineup. Some replacement parts available are ear gel pads, earphone pads, and foam boom mics. First, let's replace the boom mic foam. Remove the foam piece from the bag, grab the headset, and rest the headset on a flat surface. Holding the boom, pinch the mic foam and slide it off. Be sure to refrain from pulling or stretching out the foam. To put it back on, placing the tip of your thumb on one side of the mic to hold the new foam in place. Pinch the other side of the foam piece and without tugging, place it on the other side of the mic. Use your thumb resting against the boom mic to slide the foam piece down the remaining way. It is recommended to replace the boom foam every quarter, or after being sick, sharing headsets, or more frequently if you're working in a dusty environment. Next, we replace the ear pads. First, if applicable, remove the head strap from the headset. Without tugging, slide the pad off the headset. Remove the new ear pad from the package and run your finger between the edge and the lip of the ear pad to ensure the seam is properly separated from the plastic lip. Starting at the top of the headset, slide the plastic lip into the seam, slowly incorporating more of the plastic lip going around the earmuff. Once the entire seam is up on the plastic lip, gently tug the top of the ear pad down towards the headset. Then replace the strap back onto the headset. Looking for replacement parts? Contact our expert sales team. Otherwise, visit our How To playlist for more tutorials. Thank you.